Welcome to the Monitoring and Evaluation Journey, your essential guide to understanding and implementing effective strategies for assessing the results and impacts of ecosystem restoration. Whether you are out in the field making restoration happen, managing projects, influencing policy, or providing key technical support, this journey is for you. Successful restoration goes beyond simply implementing actions. It requires a systematic approach to monitor progress, evaluate outcomes, and adapt strategies based on what you learn along the way. In an era of increasing environmental challenges, learning how to evaluate the effectiveness of your restoration efforts is crucial for sustainable success. This journey is designed to empower you with strategies for developing and implementing comprehensive monitoring and evaluation plans, techniques to effectively monitor and evaluate the impacts of restoration programs, insights into the importance of participatory monitoring and stakeholder engagement, and methods to report findings and share valuable lessons learned for collective advancement in restoration efforts. Let's embark on this transformative journey into M&E for restoration.